Unfortunately, we're only on TikTok until the end of the month when I get my new computer because my other computer broke. So yeah, let's get started. I do want to move over to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So I don't think I refreshed this. Last time we looked at this, it was at 33, and now let's see where we're at. We're at whoa. So I'm gonna. So last time we went live 2 days ago, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index was at 33, and now we're all the way up at 65. Quite a jump in that department. I do want to let you guys know before I get too far into this that we do have a Telegram group which is free to join. You can join that in the link in my bio. And if you guys are interested, we also have a trading group, and you can join that through my Telegram. But Crypto Boss Andrew on Patreon, we have that. I give daily trade setups and my thoughts on the market every single day, so check that out if you guys are interested. It is $30 a month. But anyways, let's look at this. Yeah, so 65 in the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. That is up. That's double what it was 2 days ago. So quickly went from fear at 38 or whatever it was, 33 up to 65. So that was the jump in the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Now, if we go over to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is in a nice uptrend. That's like a V-shaped recovery after you had that dip down to 62,400. And since last time we looked at this, I told you guys I believe Bitcoin is going to be around $65,000 by the end of this week. We're already close to 65. In fact, we already touched $65,000 earlier today, and now Bitcoin looks extremely bullish here on the 15-minute time frame. This is a falling wedge, more than likely going to hold the 21-day moving average. You also got the golden cross way back here on the 15-minute time frame when Bitcoin was at 57K. That was an awesome entry right there if you would have taken that entry off of the golden cross. So right now, what is going on with Bitcoin? Let's kind of break it down. I'm also going to post this replay on YouTube later on today. So anyways, let's kind of look at what's going on. This is a falling wedge. These break out 68% of the time. Bitcoin is in a massive uptrend right now. So I like what I'm seeing on this, and I'm trying to get the measure move here. So the measure move for Bitcoin says that you can get up to about 66,007. You can get up to about 66,007 right now for Bitcoin. That is the measure move on the 15-minute time frame. The 1 hour time frame is also looking bullish to me. You made a higher low on the 1 hour. That's a good sign. Let's go to the 4 hour chart now. 4 hour chart, look how quickly that gets oversold. When you see a RSI go down that fast, just like if it goes up that fast, that is extremely bullish, and that means that you're probably going to continue and have a nice moonshot here later today. Your next resistance that I really see for Bitcoin is $67,600. That is kind of my next measure move. We'll see what happens, but that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, you're getting overbought, so just be cautious. The 2 day time frame I think has more to go. The 2 day is getting close to being overbought at 60. That has more to go though. The 3 day also is just getting started. I really like what I'm seeing on that. And the weekly, I love the weekly. You have a lot more to go on the weekly. So I really am looking for a massive move up here. I think Bitcoin in the next 1 to 2 months, maybe sooner, is going to make a new all-time high based on the weekly finally getting the bounce. We've been waiting for probably at least a month now for this thing to get the bounce. It's been oversold for quite some time, and now finally, 1 to 2 months later, starting to finally get the bounce and the reversal on the weekly time frame. So I'm liking what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. It's looking pretty good to me for continuation. And if you just want to look at the weekly time frame alone right now is in kind of like a falling wedge pattern that is attempting to break at least at the top of the pattern, but hopefully you're going to break to new highs. So if you just take the last local high to the last local low on the weekly time frame, let me just kind of see what that would give you. Your last major local low on the weekly time frame was 38,500. Before your most recent low around 53,000. So your measured move on the weekly time frame is insanely bullish. That would take you up to basically $100,000. So the weekly time frame on Bitcoin is in a massive falling wedge, or you could even say bull pennant, bull flag, with a measured move roughly to $98,000 to $100,000. Bitcoin, I think, is going to really have a nice run here as we head into the fall in about 1 to 2 months. So that's what I'm looking at. Short-term bullish, long-term bullish, medium-term pretty much bullish as well. I think Bitcoin is going to have a nice run here in the coming weeks and months. If you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. One coin I am looking at is Blast. It's in a very nice uptrend. I think a lot of coins are in a very nice uptrend, but I'm looking at Blast. It's a pretty new coin. It's on MEXC. It's on Coinbase. I actually don't know if it's on MEXC, but it is on Coinbase. I'm also holding Prick, which is going very nicely. I bought this day one. Now the market cap is $6.5 million. It went all the way back down to about $1 million market cap. I thought it was over, but I kept my moon bag in, and now it's going back up again. I think the all-time high is around 20 million, but maybe it's 10 million. I don't know. I'd have to look. It was a while ago. This chart doesn't have all the price data because it came out on MEXC on the downtrend. But yeah, so Prick is one that you can buy on MEXC. It is on MEXC now, but you can also buy it through Solana Swap or Phantom Wallet, I should say. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's my rundown. I'll be back at the convention later today. I'm going to head there in about 2 hours. But that's kind of what's going on. So I'll be posting more videos. I posted some videos on my TikTok channel earlier yesterday about everything that went down. I saw a fight break out. I don't know if it was a fight, but he was kind of arguing with the cops. But either way, that's what's going on in the markets. Bitcoin is finally looking way more bullish now, and I like what I'm seeing. So yeah, I don't know why we have no one watching on TikTok. It's kind of depressing, but if there's no requests, I will wrap things up. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. Very quick stream, very quick update. Just want to kind of talk about the markets. And I do think I'm shadow banned on TikTok, so I do probably need to start a new TikTok channel, but we'll see what happens here. If it picks back up or not. But I am in the process of rebranding my channel to Crypto Andrew, and when I do that, I'll probably be making a new TikTok channel here before the end of the summer. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. I don't see any requests, and that's just how I see the market. I see more upside coming, and I see $100,000 Bitcoin here coming by the end of the year. And in the next 1 to 2 months, I see a new all-time high coming, and I was right about the $65,000 Bitcoin here by the end of the week, and it's only what, today's Tuesday, and we already have it, so that's a great sign. Bitcoin might short term need a pullback, but even on the 4-hour chart, I didn't really see that pullback coming. And the 4-hour chart, is probably in a flag right now. Yeah, the 4-hour chart is trying to make a flag, so I really see more upside here for Bitcoin, even on the 4-hour time frame. Like, this is going to make a bull flag, very likely, because the RSI is already making a higher low. And like your last major local low on the 4-hour time frame was all the way back down there at 57,000. So really, the Bitcoin, the 4-hour, could really rip, honestly, to all-time highs, maybe later this week. So we'll see what happens. I think you need a few more hours or maybe another day of consolidation. But like if at the end of this week we're at 72,000, I wouldn't be surprised. I don't think it's going to happen because, that's kind of crazy. But then again, we went from 57K to 65K in a matter of days. So this could happen. The 4-hour chart suggests it's possible. Higher low on the stock RSI. You're in a bull flag, you're holding the 21, you're holding the 200-day moving average, and actually the 4-hour chart is also about to probably get a golden cross later today if you hold this low here at $62,000. So if Bitcoin stays above 62,000, I'm going to be ridiculously bullish on it. Your measure move would take you up to $72,700, and that is basically all-time highs on Bitcoin. So I see new all-time highs coming this week or next week on Bitcoin. I really do see that happening. And yeah, that's where I leave the market. So I appreciate all the likes that you guys may give on TikTok, but that's how I see the market. If there's any requests, let me know. Otherwise, that's just what's going on, and I am very bullish. I'll be back at the RNC convention later I can't talk. I'll be back at the convention later today, keeping you guys up to date on what's going on. I'm thinking Thursday, Trump is going to announce his vice president. I'll probably also be at the Democrat convention next month, but anyways, that's a long ways away, so... Anywho, with that being said, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Thanks, guys, for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on my next live stream, Saturday, 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. I do see Bitcoin continuing higher into this weekend, and again, I see a new all-time high, 1 to 2 weeks, and that's my prediction. I believe Bitcoin will be 72 to 73,000 in less than 2 weeks. We'll see. Hold me to it. We'll see if I'm wrong or right. But that's just where I see it. I'll be posting the replay of this on YouTube in about 15 minutes. So if you guys want to just miss the live stream, check me out on YouTube, Crypto Boss Andrew. The live stream will be posted in about 30 minutes on YouTube. See you guys on Saturday, 11 p.m. Central Time for my next live stream. Until then, have a great week. I'll see you guys in a few days.